We're at the Crowd Invest Summit in Los Angeles, California at the LA Convention Center. And here we have Jon Hammond-Hagan. He is the co-founder of Studytracks.
Yes, indeed.
And we want him to share his story with us and how this whole business came about.
Yeah, okay. So the short story is I had a 15-year-old son who was studying for his exams and trying to get him to sit down and focus long enough on his subjects was just a nightmare. But the thing he couldn't do without was music. And I'm a songwriter by trade, so I thought, you know what, why don't I put the lyrics that he needs onto the music he's listening to. And then I took a Fat Joe song and put physics to it. And he loved it. In school, he's the one putting his hand up going, oh, this is amazing. Did it a few more times, and all of a sudden we realized, actually, this could be something. And then we turned it into a business. And, you know, it was just phenomenal. You know, it's been amazing.
These are the stories that we like to hear. I mean, when something comes together like that and it's starting to take off, and you've had a lot of success already. Can you share with us a little bit about?
Yeah, of course. So February 29th, we went to market with a very crude go-to-market version. We literally drag and drop, build the app on an internet platform. We had £800 marketing budget, and we managed to secure about 35,000 users in a few weeks. So yeah, it blew our mind. I knew I had a good idea, but when you see something take fire like that, it's unbelievable, unbelievable.
35,000 users in 2 weeks. I mean, that's what companies dream of, to have that type of traction right off the bat.
It's been crazy. It's been crazy. And then off of the back end of that, we were then able to do a friends and family round where we raised just under $1 million in, again, about 2.5, 3 weeks. So it was crazy. So now we're here. We've created the full version of the app. We started off with 40 songs in February. We now have nearly 600 songs on the app, and you know the interest is going crazy. We've got so many things that we're adding to it and so on. Yeah, it's brilliant. And now we're here. I'm learning so much more about how we can do our next round of funding, which we're looking to do Q1 next year.
Yeah, so that's the next question I was going to say. You traveled all this way to come to the summit.
Yeah.
What's the biggest thing you've taken away from this? Because obviously you're deciding how you want to go about the next round of funding. You've already had the funding, of course. So $1 million so far.
Yeah, just about $1 million.
And looking to raise $5 million?
Next Q1 next year.
Okay.
So I think the biggest thing, I came here, we actually won our place here. You know, someone entered us into a competition. Next thing you know, we're winning. I'm on a plane from London to here, so it was pretty phenomenal. But I was quite in the dark about exactly how crowdfunding worked. So what I've been doing, you know, a lot of people have been coming to our stand because they like the idea, but I've been also tapping them about, you know, how does crowdfunding work? What is the best way to go about it? And it's been a real education for me. You know, I'm seeing that there's a lot of pros to doing it this way as opposed to going to VCs and so on. So now I'm at a stage where I can start making some educated decisions about what we do to get the next round of funding in. So it's been really good.
Well, congratulations on all the success. We're definitely going to follow up with you. We want to hear about how the next round funding goes,
brilliant.
What decisions you make, and again, honor and pleasure to be able to interview you.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Thanks so much.
Brilliant. Cheers.